Chalo. First of all, introduce yourself.
Sir, myself, I am Vignesh. I am from Kerala, Kasaragod district, which is a small town in Kerala. I am from Manjeshwar, and the specialty about that place is it's a hometown of the patriotic poet of Karnataka. He is a state poet, and moreover, I belong to a small family which consists of father, mother, and myself. And my father is a retired bank cooperative clerk, and my mother is a housewife. I have done my schooling in Kendra High School, which is in Mangalore. Then I have completed my graduate in mechanical engineering in Kendra Engineering College with percentage of 76 degree. And later on, after completing engineering, I have completed my apprenticeship training course in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for 1 year. And later, I have joined BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited, Bangalore, as a contract engineer for 1.5 years. And from contract engineer, I have been upgraded to trainee engineer. And my role in BEL was I was working in the production planning department. Basically, we use SAP interface for working environment. So this is my basic details, sir.
So, what you know about the company?
So this MDL. So MDL is basically a ship manufacturing, ship repairing company, as well as submarine manufacturing and submarine repairing company. They have two divisions that includes shipbuilding as well as submarine building. I think till date they have around produced total of 800 ships as well as submarines to the Ministry of Defense, and they have also increased their capacity of shipbuilding from 8 to 10 shipbuildings, as well as from submarine buildings to 6 to 11, sir. So their major projects, which is right now ongoing, is P15 Bravo class fighter warships, as well as the P17 Alpha frigates, sir. Actually, we in BEL we are also supplying the communication systems for this P15 Bravo class ships and P17 Alpha class ships, sir.
तो विघ्नेश, जहाँ पे आप पहले काम कर रहे हो, तो वहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं है कि परमानेंट पोस्ट के लिए आप इधर चेंज कर रहे हो?
From past 5 to 6 years, they have been recruiting students from the IITs, NITIes. So far, public recruitment has been not done yet. So that's why till now I am in a fixed term monthly payment is going on, fixed term work experience. So I thought of applying for MDL, through which I cracked the written exam, and right now waiting for the interview.
Then your previous experience, how can help to the MDL?
That's what, sir. We have supplied some of the communication systems to their ongoing projects like P15 Bravo class ships as well as P17 Alpha class ships. So I think somewhat it might be helpful for me to know much. We have been interlinked between our PSU as well as the MDU, which will be useful in serving the Indian Navy, which is a part of Ministry of Defense.
तो आपने यहाँ पे क्या मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के लिए अप्लाई किया है?
Yes, sir. Senior Engineer Technical.
Senior engineer. So what are your strength and weakness for this post?
Sir, actually, right now I am working as a production engineer. So I'm well versed with the production environment, like what and all problems arise in the production environment, and what I can give some of the basic problem solving techniques where I can focus on. It might be manpower or lack of the material management or something like that. So I can become a team leader, which I have learned from the seniors from my present office. So they have helped me a lot in leadership skills as well as the team leadership skills.
How you think, what are the leadership qualities are in you?
So I can give you some examples, like my managers, most of the time he'll be involved in some of the meetings or something like that. So he'll be giving to manage the project to myself. So if any project, if any issues present comes in case of project, it might be like design issues or giving some hints or technical details where that problems arises. I have done so in which has been helpful for completing the project. And even so, if there is any lack of inventory management, I used to help in providing time to time inventory management to complete the projects.
What is your span of control?
Uh, I didn't get that point, sir.
Span of control means at a time, at a single time, how much implies how much team members you can lead. That is span of control.
So at least 2 to 3, sir.
Then only 2 to 3. Then how you think you are a good leader?
Actually, I am here in a junior most post, sir. So they have assigned me 2 to 3 gap trainees. So in junior level engineers to me. So I have managed along with them to complete this project well, sir. I felt like that, and I got even appreciation from my seniors also.
But here in MDL, you are applying for the senior level. Do you think how many employees will be under your supervision?
Uh, but I don't know about I don't know much about that. How many employees will be under my supervision? But at least I can suggest that around at least 10 employees will be under my supervision.
And
So
you can supervise only 2 to 3 at a time. Then how will you manage the team of 10
I
employees?
think I think this experience will be more enough for me to even manage the five to 10 people, sir. So that I consider it as a strength.
Yes. Over to Manish, sir.
Yeah. No, it's okay. Okay. So first of all, tell me some of your favorite.
Hello. Hello. I think there is some network issues, sir.
Just wait a minute. Now it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, tell me some of your favorite subject.
So my favorite subjects are fluid mechanics, strength of materials, heat transfer, and thermodynamics.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me about what is the meaning of viscosity and why do the liquid possess viscosities?
So viscosity is basically the internal resistance offered by the layer of fluids with the adjacent layer. And viscosity is essential for the fluid because it is nothing but a frictional fluid which is presenting in the fluid, which may be useful in different ways. For example, if the in some systems the this viscosity will be helpful, like in case of oil or some water is very less viscous when compared to oils. So if viscosity is more, it will be very difficult for us to drink. So in that case, it depends upon the application, sir.
Okay. Okay. How do you differentiate the pseudoplastic and the thixotropic fluids?
Uh, Pseudoplastic fluids are having the viscosity increases with the time, and for thixotropic fluids, the viscosity decreases with time, sir.
So according to you, both of these fluids are time dependent.
Yeah, time dependent. Sir?
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the difference between the thixotropic and rheopectic?
So rheopectic fluids will be having basic, they will be having initial amount of stress that has to be applied for the fluid in order to get displaced, in order to get deformed.
Okay. Okay. Let us take a case.
Hello, sir.
Suppose you have
Sir.
a simple you have a simple cylinder.
Okay.
Okay, a vertically cylinder, and it is filled with water.
Okay. Sir.
Now just assume if I take a horizontal plane midway between the waters. Okay, at any location midway between the water. And if I consider 2 points, and both of
Okay,
these
sir.
are both of these point are at different radial distance from the center.
Okay, sir.
Okay, one is very close to center and other one is little bit far away from the center.
Okay, sir.
Now just tell me first thing, if the cylinder is stationary, if the fluid is in static condition, what will be the magnitude of pressure at these 2 points?
Sir, it will be same in all the directions.
Why so? Why the pressure is going to be remain same? Hello? Why the pressure is going to be remain same? Hello, Vignesh, I'm audible. Hello, Vignesh, I'm audible. Hello. Yeah.
Sir, I'm audible, sir.
Yeah. Just tell me, what will be the magnitude of pressure at these 2 points?
Sir, it will be same in all the directions, sir. Since the fluid is static, according to the Pascal's law.
Okay. So now, if I rotate,
So the voice is not audible properly.
If you just rotate the cylinder, in that
Yes,
case,
sir.
what will be the magnitude of pressure at these 2 points?
Sir, actually, it depends upon the. Sir, I didn't get the question. Can you please repeat once?
In the same question, if I rotate the cylinder, then what will be the magnitude of pressure at these 2 points? Is it
Sir,
going to
I think
remain same
rotation
or is
will
it going
not.
to be changed?
Sir, rotation will not cause any difference,
Yeah.
sir, because why? Because the fluid itself is static in nature, and the pressure will be same in all the directions, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let us take another case.
Okay, sir.
Now just assume if I create a hole at the bottom of the cylinder, then the water will try to spill out from this cylinder from the bottom.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then what will be the magnitude of pressure at these 2 points?
Sir, it will be according to me. I think it will be same only, sir.
Okay.
Hello. Sir, there is breakage in the voice, sir. Hello.
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 Hello, sir.
Yes, Vignesh. So,
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
okay, good evening, Vignesh. So, are you preparing for your promotion interview, correct?
Yes, sir. Actually, it's not promotion, sir.
Hmm.
I am not basically part of MDL. So they have called the recruitment based on the experience of 1 year.
Okay,
So
okay.
I got through the recruitment and I applied, sir.
Okay, on the basis of your experience, correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So, tell me your present role.
So presently, I'm working as a product manufacturing and production engineer in project management group. I'm working in a SAP environment. Like basically, it involves the material requirement planning, which we are doing for the encryption-based projects in our companies.
So, what type of tools are used for MRP?
So actually, tools in the sense, like I didn't get that point.
Means what type of software?
Software is SAP, sir. SAP ERP software we have used for
SAP ERP. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So you're using ERP. And
Yeah,
what
sir.
are the principal part of this MRP?
So MRP basically involves from the initiation of the project to dispatch, sir. That is what the role of the project management group. which we use the SAP tool to control this entire process. So initial procedure of MRP is that from D&D, from the design department, we will be getting instructions to basically fabricate or manufacture the project. So the project management group, we people will be deciding the like the time requirement which has to be used to complete the entire project, what are the materials used in the project, and what are the time required to procure the material, and what are the time required to fabricate the material, then for testing purpose and for inspection purpose, as well as that includes sales and dispatch. So this entire process will be controlled by us through project management.
Okay. So what is project?
Project is basically like in our department, in our company, there are two types of projects, sir. One basically involves the project that is used to design and develop the various products for the company, as well as one more project involves it involved for sales to the customers. So there are basically these two types of projects we are preparing in our company.
Okay, so do you know one term that is MPS?
Manufacture production schedule, sir.
Master production schedule.
Manufacture master production schedule. Yeah.
What is this?
Sir, actually, it involves the entire timeline or time schedule that requires from the initiation to the completion of the project. That involves the time schedule for the MRP run, like procuring the item, creation of the planned order, then from inspection, testing, as well as for the assembly purpose. So this entire schedule will be decided by a master production schedule MPS.
Okay, and what is bill of material?
The bill of material includes the various materials that is involved in the project. So, for example, if we consider the assembly of PCB, it involves various materials such as capacitors, resistors, diodes, ICs, etc. So these all materials which are is used to assemble a PCB, they are considered as the bill of materials. And this bill of material involves even the quantity that is required to assemble a particular unit.
Okay, so what is the difference between plant layout and process layout?
The process layout basically is involved to specific kind of process, like for example, milling process, or it might be a drilling process or any welding process or something like that. Plant layout is entirely used for a completion of entire project, sir, which includes all the processes involved in it.
Okay, and what is the difference between batch production and mass production?
So batch production involves a specific kind of product that is used for production. Mass production involves for the is a maximum amount of quantity that has to be produced for a particular batch.
Okay, can you give some example?
Batch production might be involves, for example, like manufacture of specific kind of automobiles. Say, for example, Maruti 800. So the manufacturing of this Maruti 800 involves some around 10 to 15 batches per year. So this is, for example, the batch production, sir. Mass production involves not only Maruti 800, it might be involving the other models also, and even the production quantity of this specific model will be more per year.
Okay, tell me, suppose you have an assembly line for Maruti 800.
Okay, sir.
So can you assemble Brezza, Vitara Brezza in same line? Is it possible?
Yes, sir. Is it possible? Why? Because the process involved in the fabrication of each automobile will be same.
But the fixtures are different. Size
fixtures
also
might be
different. So
fixtures might be different, sir. But the tools which are used to fix the fixtures will be same, no, sir. It might differ from model to model, but the same tool will be used to use the fixtures. So they can change it accordingly to the required models.
Okay. So what is the role of production engineer?
The production engineer is the heart and soul of the manufacturing industry, where he actually decides the entire life cycle of a project from initiation to termination, sir. As I have said, it involves from the basic initiation of the material, procurement, testing, production, issuing of the shop orders, and even if there any clarification involved in between of any fabrication while assembly also, he is the major, he has to play a major role in conversing between the different departments such as testing, design, etc. So he plays a major role in any industry.
Mm-hmm. So I'm asking main important roles. You just tell me the role.
So actually, as far as I know, that is the main important role, sir.
When you give your answer like this, then you are telling according to your thinking ability. मतलब आपने कहीं पढ़ा नहीं है. You just thinking कि what is the role means in a generalized form, and you just give the answer.
Okay.
So generally these kind of answers are not much accurate, correct? Neither wrong, but not more effective, correct?
Okay, sir.
So you just read it. What is production? What is production management? Correct? What is role of production engineer?
Okay. Sir, according
Correct.
to you, what kind of answer should I give for these questions? Like
Production role, production, let's suppose if I talk about a role of production engineer, then
Yes,
you
sir.
should give 2 or 3 points. Like a production engineer role क्या होता है? It should maintain, it should the production engineer should have an ability to maintain their production system in a trouble free system, correct?
Yeah.
And he can have ability to coordinate between the different departments. He can
Yeah.
also have very good ability, करेक्ट? क्योंकि
Yes.
वो एक मैनेजर पोस्ट है, तो उसको लाइजनिंग करनी आनी चाहिए. ही कैन मैनेज
Okay.
विद द परचेज डिपार्टमेंट, ही कैन मैनेज आल्सो विद द क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंट,
Yeah.
करेक्ट? सो प्रॉपर लाइजनिंग बना के रखना, सो दैट योर एंड इवन विद द मेंटेनेंस डिपार्टमेंट स्पेशली in
Yes, sir.
plants, the differences are very much higher in between production manager and maintenance manager,
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट?
Yeah.
सो उसका काम क्या है कि वो लाइजनिंग बना के रखे सबसे, जिससे प्रॉपर आपका कोऑर्डिनेशन बना के रखे. लाइजनिंग नहीं, कोऑर्डिनेशन इज मच बेटर वर्ड.
Yeah.
कोऑर्डिनेशन बना के रखे सो दैट वो प्रॉपरली उसका स्मूथ सिस्टम रन कर सके,
Okay.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
और प्रोडक्शन को ऑन टाइम कंप्लीट करना है, तो अगर कहीं पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आती है तो वो क्विक डिसीजन लेने वाले कैपेबिलिटी होनी चाहिए, करेक्ट? कि ऑल्टरनेटिव्स वो सर्च करे, ढूंढे फटाफट और अपने सिस्टम को फिर से
Okay.
स्मूथ करे, ट्रबल फ्री करे, करेक्ट? तो आपको कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट्स में आंसर देना है.
Okay, sir.
जनरलाइज नहीं बोलना कुछ भी, है ना?
Okay, sir.
क्योंकि जनरलाइज चीजें तो हर कोई बोलता है, तो आप की पॉइंट्स दो ना, जिससे वो इम्पैक्टफुल हो.
Okay, sir. Like,
Correct,
can we give examples, sir, to?
Yes, example, why not? You
Okay.
always give some example with your answer,
Okay, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
So you just read it, and you also read little bit about inventory, break-even analysis, inventory management,
Okay.
correct types of inventories, inventory models, correct, production planning and control,
Okay,
like
sir.
what is CPM part.
Part.
And when I ask what is what is project, then you
sir.
said my company works on these 2 projects.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting my point? I'm
Yes,
asking
sir.
what is project. I only ask how you define project. Correct, that's it. Project
Okay,
होता है
sir.
क्या है? और आप बता रहे हो कि मेरी कंपनी में ये प्रोजेक्ट चल रहे हैं, ये काम कर रहे हैं. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग, करेक्ट?
Okay, sir.
तो इसका मतलब क्या है? यू फर्स्ट लिसन केयरफुली, क्वेश्चन को
Okay.
प्रॉपर्ली सुनो,
Okay, sir.
देन एनालाइज इट एंड देन
Okay,
गिव
sir.
योर आंसर, करेक्ट?
Okay, sir.
इमीडिएटली आंसर ही देना है, क्वेश्चन सुना नहीं तावड़ तोड़ आंसर देना स्टार्ट नहीं. दिस इज रॉन्ग पे, रॉन्ग हैबिट, करेक्ट?
Okay,
क्योंकि
sir.
आप क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर्ली सुनोगे नहीं, कुछ भी आंसर दे दोगे, बाद में पता चले तो पूछा ही नहीं था, है
Okay,
ना?
sir.
तो ये
ठीक
कहीं
है.
ना कहीं नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट डालता है ना. तो थोड़ा
Okay,
सा
sir.
पहले सुनना है, फिर आंसर करना है, करेक्ट?
ठीक है, सर.
थोड़ा सा प्रिपरेशन करो. अभी कब है आपको फाइनल इंटरव्यू?
Wednesday, sir. 22nd.
22nd. अबे भी 3-4 दिन का टाइम है. You just read it correct.
Okay, sir.
And especially inventory
Okay, sir.
management, correct? Inventory and inventory management
Sir.
and CPM part,
Okay, sir.
correct? And scheduling. What is the difference between scheduling and sequencing? Scheduling
Okay.
और एक और कौन सा वर्ड होता है? Sequencing, scheduling, है ना? And line balancing. What is the role of transportation and assignment? Correct.
Okay.
What is the application of linear programming? What is MRP? मैंने आपसे पूछा MRP के मेन पार्ट्स बताओ, तो आपने वो नहीं बताया भाई. MPS, बिल ऑफ मटेरियल, ये सारी चीजें उसके मेन एक्टिविटीज होती हैं जो उसके इर्द गिर्द रहती है, और उन सारा कलेक्टिवली वर्क करते हैं MRP के लिए.
Okay, sir.
Correct. So
sir.
each and every terminology, especially you are working on MRP, that's why you must know each and everything about MRP, MPS, MRP, bill of material, and so many things. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so and you can also see what is plant layout, what type of production systems we have. Correct?
Okay, sir.
What is the difference between them?
Okay,
So
sir.
like this, you must know these things.
Okay, sir.
Correct?
Sir, actually, I have one question, sir. Like whether they will ask about the T codes which we are using in our company.
Which one?
T codes, sir. Like for MRP tools, we will be in order to perform any other operations in SAP models, we will be using some T codes. Sometimes it will be generalized tools, and it will involve even the T code specific related to specific company. So
no one asked.
Okay.
Correct. No one asked what type of codes you are used. No one interested for this.
Okay.
Correct. They
Yes,
can
sir.
only judge by these terms, because most of the people's interviewers are from the teaching background. Correct. Very few of them are the industrial background. Then they know only basic over. Correct.
Okay.
So you just prepare with your theoretical aspects first.
Okay, sir.
Correct. And especially MRP.
Okay, sir.
Is it right? Inventory. Inventory control, inventory management tools.
Okay, sir.
Correct.
Okay, sir.
CPM part. This is very important.
Okay, sir.
Correct.
Okay, sir.
And sequencing, scheduling, queuing theory.
Okay.
Application of these transportation assignment and linear programming.
Okay, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
And in which company you are going to give your interview?
Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, sir. MDL.
Mazagon Dock. Okay.
Yeah.
Mazagon Dock. It is a shipbuilding industry.
Yes, sir.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And which role you want to go for the interview? In which role?
They have generally mentioned it as senior engineer technical, sir.
Senior engineer technical. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no issue. So you just ready with this. And what is production also?
Okay, sir.
What is production? What is the difference between production and manufacturing?
Okay.
Correct. And what is production management, production engineering, production process? What is the difference between these three words?
Okay, sir.
Correct. And what is the role of production engineer?
Okay.
Correct. So etc. But these things are enough. Okay.
Sir,
So
actually, I had one doubt, sir. Now I have applied for the experience post. Will they have, apart from this, some technical questions?
yes, it might be they ask some your area of interest, questions from your area of interest. Suppose if you say, sir, my favorite subject is strength of material. Okay, so let's see. So tell me what is stress, draw stress strain curve like this.
Okay.
So most probably they ask from your previous job work experience, correct?
Yes, sir.
Mostly 90% chance है कि वहीं से interview होगा. And little bit about and yes, one more thing is HR interview, correct? This is also very important for you.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Correct.
Yes,
So they want to judge your characters, your behavior.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, yeah.
तो उसके लिए भी prepare रहो.
Okay.
Why you want to switch your job? Correct.
Yes,
and suppose if you selected, then what quality you have so that we can select you. Correct.
Okay. Yes, sir.
कुछ ऐसे जनरल क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. And suppose if you selected, then how you start your work.
Okay.
करेक्ट, विच
Yes,
थिंग्स
sir.
यू फर्स्ट यू वांट टू इम्प्लीमेंट,
Hmm.
जो आपने सीखा है वो आप कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे, फर्स्ट वो कौन सी चीज होगी जो इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहोगे। करेक्ट,
Okay.
कुछ इस तरीके के बेसिक क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं।
Okay.
ओके ओके, सो ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you, sir. So
ओवर टू यू
actually,
सर। यस, हाँ, टेल मी।
nothing, sir. Actually, that's what. Actually, the technical interview got interrupted in the middle. So,
Okay, so you should ready for this, correct?
okay,
So
sir.
because
Okay.
in the every interview panel, approximately 4 to 5 persons are there,
Okay. Okay.
and everyone have different background, so they can ask different questions in different background.
Okay.
Correct? That's why I'm
Yeah.
saying you just whenever any interviewer asks question, then you just listen carefully,
Okay, sir.
correct?
Okay.
And think about this, and then give
Okay.
your answer. Immediately
Okay.
answer करने की जरूरत नहीं है,
ठीक है
correct?
सर, ठीक है सर। Okay.
Okay, all the
Okay.
best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, over to you, sir.
Yes, Vignesh.
हाँ सर।
का
हेलो।
इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट ठीक था, लेकिन आप थोड़ा लंबा ले गए, कंपनी इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत ज्यादा ले गए।
हाँ सर।
नो डाउट कि आपको नॉलेज है
हाँ सर।
कंपनी के बारे में, लेकिन इंट्रोडक्शन में इतना ज्यादा लंबा नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि आपने बहुत टेक्निकली बताना शुरू कर दिया था एमडीएल के बारे में।
ओके।
तो इतना नहीं बताना जब तक पूछा ना जाए, क्योंकि अगर आप पहले ही स्टार्टिंग में इतना बता दोगे तो आपकी जो क्वेश्चनिंग है बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ती चली जाएगी।
ओके, ठीक है सर।
तो फिर बहुत ज्यादा हायर लेवल पे फिर आपको थोड़ी क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने मुश्किल हो जाएंगे।
ओके सर।
तो स्टार्टिंग में तो बेसिक ही बताना है कि कंपनी क्या है, क्या प्रोडक्ट्स है, बस
ओके
थोड़ा
सर।
बहुत
ओके।
ब्रांचेस वगैरह का। बाकी
ओके
जब
सर।
टेक्निकली पूछा जाए तभी बताना है।
ओके सर, ठीक है सर।
कि आप स्टार्टिंग में ही अगर अपन इतना थोड़ा अपना लेवल हाई शो कर दोगे तो आगे तो फिर वही टेक्निकली वही आपका जो लेवल ऑफ इंटरव्यू है बहुत हार्ड होता जाएगा।
ओके सर, ठीक है सर।
बाकी ठीक है, आपके पास अच्छी नॉलेज है, कंपनी की भी अच्छी नॉलेज है, ठीक है आप करो।
ओके सर।
बाकी ठीक है।
ओके, थैंक यू सर।
Vignesh.
हाँ सर।
Okay, sorry, there's an interruption.
ओके सर, नो इश्यूज।
First of all, I have asked you some questions regarding the fluid mechanics now.
हाँ, यस सर।
The answer you have given are not up to the mark which I want to hear, because you
ओके।
are not able to successfully perfectly differentiate between the rheopactic and thixotropic flows. So you have to little bit revise your concept.
ओके सर।
Okay, and the case which I am asking you about the cylindrical case,
हाँ।
basically I am asking you regarding the force vortex and free vortex.
ओके ओके।
Okay, so you
sir.
have to be just revise your that subject, because you are mentioning it as your favorite and it's very important for the MDL. No?
यस सर।
That's why.
ओके सर।
Okay, so
Sir,
regarding first of all,
actually, MDL is related to somewhat fluid mechanics, no, sir? Like what and all
yeah,
topics will be important for that interview?
actually just go through the fluid dynamic part,
Okay,
fluid
sir.
dynamic part,
Sir.
and other than that the buoyancy and flotation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, these three topics are very important.
Okay, sir.
Fluid dynamics. In fluid dynamics, you have to cover the Bernoulli's equation, so equations of motion generally,
Sir.
and then you have to cover up the laminar flow, and after that the buoyancy and flotation, which is from the fluid static part.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm not able to take your technical right now. Just give me a snap tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will
Tomorrow,
take your
sir?
technical tomorrow. Yeah.
At what time, sir?
Tomorrow I will check the timing. Just message me. Okay, you will get my number on the sheet.
Okay, sir.
Okay, my name is Vineet. Okay, you will
Okay,
get
sir.
my number.
Actually, is it possible to keep it around night time, sir? Like same time as we have conducted right now?
Sure. I will take your technical snap at the same time tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay, when is your final interview?
22nd, sir, Wednesday.
22nd. Okay, so tomorrow I will take your technical interview.
Okay, sir.
Just go to the fluid mechanics. Okay, and all
sir.
the favorite subjects you mentioned.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, actually, will they ask some questions regarding this gyroscope design of machines? Dom, sir.
Actually, that depends upon the interviewer, what their
Okay.
background is.
Okay, okay,
In
sir.
generally, you are going for basically MDL. The most of the questions are will be framed from that fluid part only.
Okay.
Okay, and some of the questions will be from the maybe from IC engine, I can say. I
Okay.
can say most of QO machine, I can say.
Yeah,
Okay.
sir.
So
Actually,
you
that
have
is the
to-
weaker
you
part
have
for
to
me.
get the basic knowledge of both of them.
Okay.
Actually, you have to get the basic knowledge of all the subject. Okay, but the subject you have mentioned as your subject, as your favorite subject, that you have to
sir.
properly cover. Okay, that
Okay,
is
sir.
fluid mechanics. And
Sir, is there a
thermodynamics.
possibility that they will deviate from the apart from these subjects which I have mentioned as told as my favorite, sir?
No, there's very large chances that they will be shifted for. Once you mentioned that the fluid mechanics is your favorite subject, the most of the question will be around the fluid mechanics part only.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so don't worry, just give me the technical snap tomorrow at the same time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
At around 8 or 9.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.